Hello traders, today is June 8th, it's a Wednesday. I'm going to show you, based on the responses and the emails that I've received from all the traders that have taken advantage of downloading the free ABC indicator and learning this method. I'm going to share with you and do a little review on the success of this method. Very simple, based on price action. I'm going to show you what has happened the last 3 days. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So we're going to start off here with June 6th. And on June 6th, we have a great short opportunity worth at least $600 here to go short at 41.2550. Again, if you haven't already accessed the free member account, visit DayTradeToWin.com. You can join. You can log in, create a free member account, and download what you're seeing here and learn the method. There's no cost involved. You can also actually look at downloading the news indicator. We also offer that for free, and a few other goodies. So we have a couple of things, especially for the new traders who want to start learning about how trading works. You can download the charting platform, practice trading, all in simulation, get the live data feed. This is a great way to start. Now, if we take a look here at June 6th, not only do we have this short signal, we also have this long signal towards the end of the day, which right up until the end of the day was good for $400. Now, I don't like to trade right until the end of the day, so it's best that you hold off the last 15-20 minutes and get out. Still successful, still profitable, but I think that trading right until the end of the day is sometimes too volatile, maybe a mistake because of the volatility. So that's June 6th, two great opportunities, one short, one long. And the next day, June 7th, yesterday, we have a different situation. We have a long at 41.3875, good for about $460, and another long signal in the C part of the day for $237. Now, I think that this specific signal right over here may have been filtered out because it's in the latter part of the B part of the day. So this is the B part of the day, and typically I say that if we're going to have a signal, the strongest and the best signals occur immediately. As soon as we have the market push higher, 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 or lower, 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 immediately as we begin, that is always the best situation to be in. Here in the latter part of the B part of the day, not so good. Still successful, still made a good $460 per contract, that is, but I think that you should look for signals that occur earlier. The same thing here, this signal to go long, the market eventually went up, good for $237 if you held on to it. The next day, today, June 8th, we have a short 41.25 quarter. You can put the indicator on your chart. You'll see exactly the same signals as you're seeing here, so nothing is optimized. It is what it is based on price action. Great trade, $312 immediately for about 10 minutes into this trade. Now, if you wanted to hold on to this, you could potentially make $750, which I don't think a lot of traders really hold on to these signals. I recommend getting in, getting out, taking your money and run, and that would be $320 or so in a profit target based on this short signal. Again, as soon as the B part of the day, which is here, occurs, you can look for an opportunity. The earlier it happens, the better. That's always my goal. So thank you for all the comments and all the emails using the ABC method. And if you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. We have the Atlas line, the Trade Scalper, the Blueprint, and if you want a complete package, it's the Accelerated Mentorship Program. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.